Wallace game that you hold you for the door. Not there's a two testimony on this day. Chachkinari, Monaimax, one Nangi, and John Cosio over Chibanos up no there. Pockets to Monka, he said. Nini, I'll call the good to. You must have no one. I'll go to next one in Bohead. And Istibaba, all it was J. Istibaba, so now you don't know Istibaba. Istibaba, my Makto go, Madmaro. He said the judge, you know what, Nini, Okigabas. Was in Chabingalitsi. You like it. And then Haram Amonite, I think what those J. Nagiro, Haram Nagin out those J. I said Nagiro. Hatsko Fashkima, Altiros J. Chiasi Jesse. Agrichikonoa. So neatly half an hour, Aligoto. I own Chimonar West J. Fatcha Chimonar. Ilichikonoa, Ukali Basonwa, Manak Jesus, Omonayet. I said, Inga, so if you like it, Topamahe, lay it, knock a kiss, lay Giraffe. I said, Manak, so Giraha, Kisakuro, Chachkadari, my man, Kislimonks. I know no get to get to get as it got to, so more as the gardens. Then Haram. Nikta Hangusha, Haram Mesti, he's a yard. Tanai, he says, Panganara West. Obey Yongo, he said, obey those. I said, Okchinka Shoma, Chimanezali, Chisayatlis. He said, monks, obey you don't know, as in Haram Anyo at that. Jimatame Oklegi, you know what? Chanuchi waited, and I love you after West J. I said, oh no, you must go and Chihiza, Hinga. So, Haram, he'd say, well, master, you got it. I don't know what. For whom a leg of this, he made story, how did say? Emira Afnahane Soldezimax that Mamesti. Mihage, but I know a hoboyat, I've seen after months Bangat, Oyo and all that. I said, in he left it after months, an army of Chinga the Yajigas, so don't got no. And Haram, Mahatsko first no guy. Knock it over, Chachki in Bohead. He says, Hatsko, Chak on it or say, Chitipkasi, Mundon, she gets to ST, Nini Ukasigo to Yomoski half no one. Chabingal, Wagga young, South Flower Gang, Nozahan of ST. Mana Deus. But it was in English, my dad was saying that don't go out on the road during the nighttime. That old Istibaba, that lion out there, he'll get you. And that Hutsko Fusky that sang with them sharp ears, he'll whoop you with them ears. And it scared me, so I went in the house and I sat on a bed and then I just sat there. Got to thinking, well, what are those things, you know? And that's what my dad was telling me. I said, well, okay. And then there was another time, this man, we tried to give him a ride, and he didn't want to get in my car. And we was going the same place, Storm Ground, but he said he was in a hurry, and so I said, okay. And sure enough, he beat me there. And that was the last time. And And then that old Hutchkofusky again, my dad said, he'll whoop you now. Don't go out there. So I got scared, so I just went in the house and laid down and went to sleep. Never no more. Mana degusti. Ahí, buddies.